So I've got my cordless heat gun here. Now the battery is not included, but it is compatible with the Dewalt 20 volt max that I have here. Now it does come with 4 different tips. It really just depends on the job that you're doing. I mean, this works great whether you're using it for heat shrink tubing, maybe paint stripping, removing adhesive, or even shrink wrap around maybe a package. This is super easy to use. We've just got a trigger on here. Now when you press it, if you don't lock it and you release it, what it's going to do, it's going to count down from 6 all the way down to 0, and that's just cooling the internal elements with the fan, and it actually goes off. Now this does have 2 temperature settings. We've got low and high. It's either from 120 degrees to 572 or 120 all the way up to 1112. Right now it's all up to 1112. It's in Fahrenheit, but you can change that to Celsius. And we have 4 different settings for the fan. We've got 2 buttons here on the left and right, and those will allow you to go ahead and reduce or increase the temperature. Now this is 350 watts. Of course, we've got the yellow with the black. We've got rubber grip right around here, so it's really easy to hold. And of course, we've got the black and yellow right through here. These tips, you just push them on just like that, and they're just as easy to take off. I love having a cordless heat gun. I mean, it looks fantastic. It's nice and easy to use. I love that the screen readout is just super easy to use, and we only have 3 buttons, and it's low and high. Can't beat it. Hope you found this review helpful.